Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer grammar understanding with Babbel, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin your grammar journey with Babbel, download the app or visit the website. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Once logged in, select your target language from the list provided. Choose your learning level, starting with the beginner option. Familiarize yourself with the app interface, which includes sections for vocabulary, grammar, and culture. Start with the introductory lessons focused on basic grammar concepts. Pay attention to the interactive exercises that allow real-time feedback. Engage with the grammar tips provided after each lesson. Practice consistently by setting daily reminders within the app. Utilize the speech recognition feature to improve pronunciation alongside grammar learning. Experiment with the review section to reinforce your understanding of previously covered topics. Take advantage of the additional resources, such as podcasts and cultural articles, for broader context. Set specific goals for your grammar mastery to track your progress over time. Join community forums or discussions within the app to practice with fellow learners. Incorporate real-life language practice by using Babbel's writing and speaking exercises. Stay patient and maintain a positive attitude as you build your grammar skills. Celebrate small victories in your learning journey to keep motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.